Hello. Uh, First of all, thank you so much if you tuned in for the third day of Vlogmas. Today has been such a full day, full of everything. So I figured we can do, you can see it. I figured we can do get unready with me and unwind for a little bit. Yeah, I was filming, I was editing. Dixie, you not say anything. Okay, so you don't see no fancy clothes, no anything, really. I'll just put my hair in a bun and we're gonna do some skincare. We're gonna do some, a little chit chat. And I'm gonna try to keep this relatively short, right? I have my pink one somewhere, but I lost it. The eyebrows are doing pretty well. I didn't put much on them today. I just filled in the tail of it a little bit. And so far so good, like without any product on them, they still just like, you're looking at. We're gonna wash my face. I'm using these things because I hate it when my sleeves get wet. It's just one of my pet peeves. So first I'm usually getting some anyway, we get it. Some water and I remove the eye makeup. That you might go for first. And actually I did these freckles today. They are shiny freckles like Taylor Swift's. My eye baby sent me some and from what you can see they don't even like, oh, that's cool. They call for some micellar water if you want to remove them. So they're saying that if you rub it, guys, I'm rubbing it and my foundation's coming off but not the freckles. Well, I guess we're sleeping with some freckles today. And last one, the lip is. Is there anyone else that likes themselves more without lipstick than they do with lipstick on? Because I think I might. But yeah, I guess it's personal preference as always. So now we're gonna go ahead and do a double cleansing, which is so cool for you and for your face. And I'm gonna use this Pinky List Oat Cleansing Balm. You're supposed to use it before your cleanser. That might actually remove the freckles. I actually dropped it but it keeps going. I have this silicone thing that's been so good to me. Like, I use it for everything. I think the freckles are staying for the day. So what this does, guys, it actually sticks to whatever foundation is left on your face or whatever other products, and it sticks on them, and then with the other soap, you can get rid of everything together. So after you're left with this oily mess, normally I have this, too much. Hello? Yeah. I think I'm running really low on. Yeah, I am. I grabbed this biotin, micellar. I'm gonna learn to say this word by the end of the video. And I put, I don't know, about this much. That's a lot. The freckles are kind of starting to come off. I guess a little scrub is gonna help that because I feel kind of stupid with like half faded sparkly freckles, you know? Oh my god, my cheeks are red. So I dry it and then I have another step from Inkey. I really like their stuff and I rebought them. This is some retinol. That's probably a little even too much. Hello? Okay. But yeah, I would lie if I told you I put this all the time. It's like, my face, I cannot believe that it's acne free. I stopped getting my birth control some years back and it gave me the worst hormonal acne, and then I got rid of it with the help of a derm, and then I started my pill again, so I'm really scared to come off of it again. And if you have any advice on the subject, I will be really happy to know. Okay, so I move these things all the way to my ears, neck, decolletage, decolletage. Yeah, mostly I push it here, like on the forehead. So after I'm done with that, I'm going with the night cream. I'm looking which one it is because they look identical. They're also from Biotin, also not sponsored. This is the night cream. I don't know, it's good. Like it says anti-dark spot, anti-wrinkle night cream. And I put about this much. So I kind of like pushing things into my skin. Sometimes if I'm really feeling like it, I would get my guasa and just go like this. And it really does make a difference. But it kind of hurts. So I kind of not do it all the time. But you know, it just kind of like comes from what you've seen online. And after we look all nice and rosy, I also have an eye cream. I put it on my finger first because I usually just like splash it in my eye. But then it has like this applicator and you can just kind of like go and enjoy the coolness of it. And this is probably super extra, but I really want to take care of the eyebrows now that they look like this because I kind of feel like they're going to start falling off. So I'm going to get this Nuxe oil. It's for body and hair. And I'm just going to put it on my eyebrows, you know? They do look crazy. Loving that. This is what I'm using. So normally at this time I'm done. And you probably noticed that I missed a very big step, which is brushing the teeth. That's because I usually do my routine and then I eat chips. But yeah, let's brush our teeth. I'm actually gonna floss too. You guys floss? You know, I like this series because it holds me accountable and I kind of share things about me that I wouldn't just like casually say in one of the, you know, like lens videos or vlogs. One of the things is I had braces on for a good long while, and that's why I have straight teeth. The thing is that I still have, because I didn't have my wisdom teeth out yet, I still have like this thing, which is, I don't like it at all. I've trained the dog to go only in frame. Okay, and now for my favorite part of brushing my teeth. It's not brushing my teeth, it's the after filling. But anyway, my favorite part about brushing my teeth is the toothbrush that I'm choosing every time. And I always get like pretty cute, you know, nice toothbrushes. And this is the brand of it. I don't know if you guys have them. I think they are Swiss. So I don't know if you can find them everywhere. But they're really good. And they also come like, look at this. I know, we're gross. I actually have the previous set too, which was from the summertime, you know? It's cute. It's cute. It's the little things that make you, you know, appreciate your routine. And as for my toothpaste, it's from this brand. I think it's Greek. I'm not sure if they have it like around the world, but this thing is so good. Just advertising my toothpaste. But anyway, the best thing about it is that it's so easy to store. Like you just store it like this. And I know how it looks. I know, but you don't see that after a while. And this squeegee thing right here, you don't need to squeeze a tube of the toothpaste. You just go like this. Look. I put too much because I'm excited. So I usually take my rings off and put them in one of these thingies because now it's time for the hands. I put some glycolic acid because I'm obsessed with just making them look youthful again. You can put that on your feet, on your scalp, like your hairline, I've heard. It's all good things, but I haven't progressed that much yet. These are my money-making fingers. But yeah, other than that, I always love putting something that smells nice. This is what I have now since Halloween. It's like a pumpkin spice and it's got glitter. So yeah, I put that wherever I haven't put the face stuff and I go to bed. Ooh. So yeah, fam, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or like something that I do that you would like to know more about so that you can incorporate it in your routine, let me know down in the comments as always. I love you and Merry Christmas one more time. Happy Vlogmas Day 3. I'll see you guys tomorrow.